success would be a substantial increase in daily active users. I don't know, like I said, if can we get daily active users over 1 billion? That would be, it's still only 1/8 of Earth, but that would be a huge improvement from where things are today. And I guess broadly speaking, like, is Twitter helping further civilization and consciousness? Are we? It's Twitter. I'm not saying transactions are complete, so I shouldn't say we. But is Twitter contributing to a stronger, longer-lasting civilization where we're better able to understand the nature of reality?